Do you want to know 12 reasons you should invest in an AI stock? This is the video for you. If you're not interested in 12 reasons you should invest in the AI stock, then please proceed to watch the next video you about to watch. You're going to lose a chance of a lifetime to get in the new next wave of what's going on in the economy. And if you have to watch another video, please go ahead, but make sure you come back to this video, save it, because we're going to get into 12 reasons you might be losing out if you continue to watch the video that you're about to watch right now, if you don't learn about AI stocks. We ought to hear about all these coin stock, but let's get into AI stocks. How it going to benefit you if you move in the right direction with your forward thinking in order to accomplish the task that you want to accomplish when it comes to your investment. Number one, the 12 reasons AI is the future of everyday industry, and it's imperative that you get in it now and be acquainted with what's going on in the economy, how it affect your job or affect you in the long run, how you can enhance you to better you in the future. From healthcare to finance to logistics, it's going to go into AI is transforming how the world works when it comes to AI company are leading the charge and moving ahead. And we see it over in China, why America is so adamant when it comes to slowing a country down instead of they just focus on their own country and they be leaps ahead. Number two, it exposed market growth. We already see it. Market growth over here is going good. Market growth over here is stifled, and then you have these trade wars. What about the explosive market growth? It's going to occur if you don't get on the explosive market growth by getting an AI stock, where the global AI market is projected to grow into trillion by 2030. So imagine if you get into what is creating massive investment opportunity right now, which is AI. Either you invest or you're going to use it. Why be on the user end all the time and not be on the invested end? Get acquainted with what's going on in the economy so you can know how to maneuver in the economy ahead. Number three, backed by big tech. We already know that some of these stocks on big tech is already at a level that you're going to pay 100 just for a share. Imagine how you're going to make multiply your money at a different time unless you go and learn about dividend stocks and other stocks in this fund, etc. When it comes to this, like giants like Google, Microsoft, and even Amazon and NVIDIA are all in one AI-driven innovation and value for shareholders. So imagine if you get on a plan of meeting your financial goal when it comes to investment and diversify your portfolio when it comes to AI stock. This would be a good way to start learning what's going to be the new AI company, how it's going to be affect, if they public, if they private, how as they generating a lot of income, etc. To know the deal, you can get news on that, but get into the AI stock if you're interested. Number four, high demand for automation. We see our factories in Amazon getting automated. We see factories in China getting automated. What used to be 600 people, now it's 60 people. So imagine the cutting in the workforce. As business seeks efficiency, that's what those manufacturers wanted, why they cut people, as well as Amazon, and cutting costs. AI becomes essential. I mean, continue revenue growth, and they continue to even cut jobs as is move on for our AI providers. So these AI provider is coming in the wind. How you gonna get ahead is gonna be up to you. When is the chance? Is start to research and look through what's going on in the market to see how the tide is changing and how your job can be effective in the future if you're not in that crisis, or how you can use AI to your advantage and support these companies too. Which company you see that gonna give you the financial outcome. Number five is massive productivity and and boost. When it comes to AI-driven products and productivity that you can gain by translating to a higher profits for your company or for that company that you're going to seek to invest in, make AI company more valuable over time. So if you see these AI companies start to be valued over time and you don't start investing and learning today of how you're going to get on this train of AI revolution, whether in the market that you're in now or is in an international market like company like BYD and all those companies like in China. If you just listen to the media, you might be lost in their source, and they're fighting for resources just like you fighting for resources, and you want to get the better deal at the end of the day and not getting caught up in someone else's system of what they try to spread when they come with the propaganda without accuracy in accounting. Number 6, early investment win big. So if you invest early today, those who invest early in the cloud of the internet stock, we see it with Google, we see it with Microsoft, we see it with a lot of companies, and some company went out of business because they was merged or bought out by other company. So imagine the opportunity that gonna come while you move ahead. As stocks saw a huge return, you saw it then. Now is the next time we're going to see huge return in its AI. It's at a similar stage today like it was in the internet stage. So we're going to a different stage. You're going to be at many competition, so you got to see who going to be the best client for you. Just like when you come with these Bitcoins, all these coins now competing against one. Number 7, diversify exposure option. You have the chance to diversify now your portfolio in a different option. You can invest in an individual AI, stocks, ETFs, or AI-focused mutual funds. You see how they're coming out with these AI mutual funds? So imagine if you get into mutual funds and you start to get some of that dividend back, or you get into the stock market, learn how this thing go, which is effective for you to get your return, giving flexibility and risk control. So you want to be able to control where your money go, control your wealth. It's all about financial independence. Everybody running for it. That was the old picture when you were supposed to come out of school, but you get misled. They did not want everybody on the playing field, and now you have to get on the playing field because you was exposed to different stuff in your life, and school's supposed to teach you about finance. That's what you deal with throughout the day or the rest of your life. Number 8, the revolution in the consumer tech. We already seen it from Chat GPT, how a lot of companies is using this for smart assistant. So if you're working at a job, you're using it for smart assistant. You can't operate now without some form of AI and automation. You want to automate your work while you're at work. So if you get into investing on some of these automation company or these AI company, you're going to drive ahead of your goal, what you're supposed to achieve when it comes to your financial investment, and you diversify your portfolio. So when it comes to getting into AI now, is all about what the investor can profit from, and you is about to be the investors that going to profit in the AI space when it comes to AI stocks and innovation. Number 9, strong institutional support. When it comes to hedge fund, mutual fund, and sovereign wealth fund, which is all what is about, a heavy invest in AI can lead to opportunity in the future when it signals long-term confidence, and it also signal long-term return when it comes to plenty of AI going through diverse places. Number 10, constant innovation, and we see it already with these new .com companies compared to when internet started and where we at now. Compared to that, imagine what going to happen with AI when it advanced. AI company constantly push boundaries. when it comes to robotics, and when it comes to natural language processing and machine learning. Which one going to be the one that impact with you more in the long run? It's going to be more like machine learning and natural language processing. When it comes to robot, it depends on what the robots are going to be doing. If it's in a manufacturer or it's going to be in your home. What kind of robot? Is it going to be just cleaning up, sweeping up, or is it going to be a robot moving, dusting, etc.? That going to be how you going to invest. You got to research in the AI stock by dealing with AI news in order to learn certain things when it comes to these innovation that going to affect your growth when it comes to your investment, the value return, the return on investment. So when it comes to dealing with this number 11, the global AI adoption is accelerating. We're already seeing everybody fighting for space in the AI world. That's why everybody want to go digital, because those that is in the full digital market already advanced. That's why you see countries like China way advanced right now. So government startups and entrepreneurs worldwide going to start to innovate, increase the AI spending. So if they increase the AI spending, you have to probably increase your AI spending on buying some of these stocks when they come to what they're looking for when it start to be bullish. Because when the sign of bullish investor is coming, and if you have the AI stocks or the AI company that about to break through the next wave and cause a lot of competition and get the head of Google's and all those major companies, Amazon, etc., imagine how your AI company, how that investment going to look when you invest in that AI company and get some of those AI stock back. We talk about opening your eyes now and do not worry about all the distraction of these layoffs and not looking at the times that we're living in. We know that there's many natural disasters, but look at the time when it comes to your investment and how you can get your ROI, return on investment. Number 12, it's still early. We know that it's still early. With AI is booming, the full potential hasn't been realized yet. And when you start to go into the marketplace, getting in early is going to be on the upside for you, because you're going to see what companies move ahead. As the market mature now, it's going to be stiff competition. Now your money going to last longer in the long term. So imagine if you have kids where you can pass down this asset to these kids so they can get advantage. It's all about a financial war. You got to fight your financial battle with yourself to get ahead of what's going on in the economy. Because inflation is going to catch you if you're not getting ahead of the game. You want to hedge against inflation by investing in AI. So if you want a list of some of the promising AI stocks or EFTs, we can research and look that up ourselves. We're going to come back in with some breathtaking list where we come to what is the stocks that move in right now or what going to be benefit to you in the long run. So make sure you would like, follow, and share so you can learn these things as we go and get acquainted with what stock going pop off. So even if you got $50, you can see it increase over time. We talk about buy. You see how it go, you let it some funds, and that can use it as an emergency fund, because you need that in this economy right now with the turns of the tide and the wave that's going on in the economy with all these layoffs due to AI. So if you're not getting acquainted with the AI stocks, as you go look for work, as you look at what's going on in the economy, you try to apply for these jobs, you got to also know how to use the AI platform when it comes to chat GPT, using these prompts to get a fast productivity when it comes to doing your work. Even when it comes to doing research, you can use chat GPT or DeepSeek or all these AI to get some information back for what is the coming stocks, what is the AI company that's going ahead. Because everybody is racing to be the advanced AI, and I guarantee you, like on social media, it's not there yet. But once that pop off, all these rest of company is going to be in a way won't able to compete on the level that some company going to compete when it comes to who program AI efficiently. So when it comes to the 12 reasons you should get into, you should invest in AI stocks, or if you're not investing and learning today, by going and join where we bring you some of these information so you can learn in the future what's going on with the AI world, so you can get acquainted of how to get ahead, because that's what all is about. You get the right information, you get ahead. Just like when people talking about on TikTok, all these, they already went viral, algorithm change. We don't know what algorithm can make you go viral unless you in the right space. So when it comes to the 12 reasons you should invest in AI stock and the AI company, because that's what you're going to back up after that, you're going to have to understand, number one, AI is the future of every industry. Number two, it explosive market growth. So you're going to see what's going on in the future. Number three is backed by big tech. And small tech going to come in the win to compete against big tech. So you want to look at what's coming on ahead. Number four is high demanded for automation. Everything is getting automated. Before you know it, AI going to automate everything that you cannot think of right now is coming. Number five, massive productivity boost. Number six, early investor win big. So if you start investing today, you will win big in the future. Number seven, diversify exposure option. So if you imagine the option that you're going to be able when you diversify your portfolio. Number eight, revolution in consumer tech. Number nine, strong institutional support. Imagine how much support you're going to get when you ask AI. It's going to be constant in the day where you're going to ask AI more stuff to do, to the fact that AI going to be repetitive, knocking out all your tasks. Number 10, constant innovation. When it comes to AI companies constantly moving, you're going to be able to innovate too with what you're doing. Number 11, global AI adoption is accelerating. And number 12, it is still early. And go ahead, start your journey today by tapping this link and like, follow, and share so we can give you more content of what's going on with the AI space, so you can start your journey and invest and look at which stocks you want to get into today. So make sure you follow us for more content, more other video that we get into other subject matter, because we primarily deal with investing and getting ahead in the future, especially with what's going on today. Thank you for stopping by. Whenever you see this, make sure you start your journey, look, research, and using AI to see what's coming ahead, so you can have an advantage when it comes to your financial freedom and whatever financial goal you have planned in mind.